As soon as the track clears, the clock will start when he hits another obstacle. Destruction will now get back into to shut the truck down. They'll take a quick look, no damage, and he will continue the clock. Still has 27 seconds on it. All right, whoa. Anybody in the blue plastic, as we said earlier, you got to get out of there. We can't run a truck. Anybody in the blue plastic, this thing's shut down. So you got to get out of that blue plastic, and you got to do it right now. Nobody can be inside anywhere the blue plastic is, or a truck doesn't run. Out of there now, or we can't continue. And again, that's going to happen. Nobody that Monster Jam safety holds, nobody can be inside where you see the blue plastic. And thank all of you all for keeping it nice and safe for us there. All right, here we go.